Decorative wood panels Texarkana are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their interior spaces. These panels offer a variety of wood paneling styles and wood paneling options that can transform any room. Whether you're interested in wood paneling renovation or wood paneling restoration, Texarkana Wood Paneling Services provide the expertise needed to achieve your desired look. Decorative wood panels Texarkana installation is a seamless process when you work with a professional wood paneling contractor. These experts ensure that your custom wood paneling is installed correctly, providing a flawless finish. With a range of wood paneling materials and wood paneling finishes available, you can customize your space to match your personal style. For those seeking unique wood paneling ideas, Texarkana offers a wealth of inspiration. From intricate wood paneling patterns to modern wood paneling trends, there's something for every taste. The Decorative Wood Panels Texarkana Company can guide you through the latest wood paneling upgrades to keep your home stylish and up to date. Interior wood panels in Texarkana are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional. They provide excellent insulation and soundproofing, making them a practical choice for any home. With wood paneling maintenance and wood paneling repair services readily available, you can ensure your panels remain in top condition for years to come. Custom Decorative Wood Panels Texarkana is perfect for those who want a personalized touch in their home. The wood paneling expert Texarkana can help you design and create panels that reflect your unique taste and preferences. Whether you prefer traditional wood paneling textures or contemporary designs, the possibilities are endless. Texarkana wood wall panels are a versatile option for both residential and commercial spaces. They can be used to create feature walls, add warmth to a room, or even serve as a backdrop for artwork. With wood paneling solutions tailored to your needs, you can achieve the perfect balance of form and function. Decorative Wood Panels Texarkana offers a wide range of possibilities for those looking to enhance their interiors. From classic to contemporary, the wood paneling styles available can suit any aesthetic. With Texarkana wood paneling materials and finishes, you can create a cohesive look that complements your home's architecture. Texarkana wood paneling trends are constantly evolving, offering new and exciting ways to incorporate decorative wood panels Texarkana into your home. Whether you're interested in bold wood paneling patterns or subtle wood paneling textures, there's always something new to explore. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest wood paneling ideas Texarkana.